Imagine this. You're lost in the middle of a freezing forest. Your fingers are going numb. Your breath turns to ice. If you don't act fast, you won't make it through the night. Most people wouldn't survive this, but you will, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly what to do to stay alive. Miss even one step, and hypothermia could take over in minutes. Let's get started, before it's too late. The moment you realize you're stranded in the freezing wild, time is your worst enemy. If your core temperature drops too low, your body will shut down. First, stop panicking. Running around burns energy and makes you sweat, which will freeze your clothes solid. Instead, breathe deeply and assess your surroundings. Second, check your clothes. Wet? Take them off immediately. It may sound crazy, but wet clothes suck heat from your body 25 times faster than dry ones. If you have extra layers, swap them out. Third, find shelter now. Even if you think you can last, exposure will kill you faster than starvation. Now you need to trap heat. Without shelter, the cold wind will strip away every bit of warmth. Option 1, a simple snow cave. Yes, snow can save your life. If you dig a small hollow into deep snow, it will insulate you from the freezing air outside. Option 2, a lean-to shelter. Find a fallen tree or stack branches against a large rock. Cover it with pine needles, leaves, or anything that traps heat. Option 3, the Fire-Reflector Trick. Build a wall of logs behind your fire to bounce heat back toward you. This doubles your warmth and keeps the cold wind away. Without fire, your survival chances drop to nearly zero. You need to make one, fast. The fastest way to start a fire in the snow. If you have a lighter or matches, build your fire on a raised platform. Snow will extinguish flames instantly if it melts beneath. No lighter? Find dry bark, pine resin, or birch bark. These burn even in wet conditions. The fire placement trick. Always build your fire next to a large rock. It absorbs heat and radiates it back toward you. The upside-down fire method lasts the longest and burns slow. Stack large logs at the bottom, smaller sticks on top, and light it from above. Hypothermia is the silent killer. You won't even realize it's happening. Here's how to spot it before it's too late. Stage 1. The shivering stops. This is not a good sign. When your body stops shivering, it means it's giving up. Stage 2. Confusion and clumsiness. If you suddenly feel warm or start unzipping your jacket, your brain is shutting down. Stage 3. You feel sleepy. This is your body preparing for shutdown. If you close your eyes, you may never wake up. If you feel any of these symptoms, you must get heat fast. Move, jump, run. Your body generates heat through movement. If you're too weak, curl into a ball inside your shelter. If you have zero gear, here's how to create emergency survival heat. The leaf jacket trick. Stuff any dry leaves, moss, or grass inside your clothing. This traps warm air and acts like insulation. The body heat trick. If you're with someone, huddle together. Skin-to-skin contact saves lives in extreme cold. Eat snow? No! It drops your core temperature dangerously fast. Always melt snow before drinking to preserve body heat. Survival is about preparation. The best way to stay alive? Never get caught unprepared. Always pack a lighter, emergency blanket, and fire-starting kit. Now, here's the question. If you were stranded in the freezing wild right now, could you survive? If this helped you, hit that like button. And if you want more life-saving survival tips, click here for the next video.